Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I have a cute little project to share with you today, and these are little origami hearts. This one I did with the Fresh Florals Designer Series paper, and these two here I did with just paper from my printer. So I wanted to show you how we create these little hearts, and they are very easy. So you're going to take your piece of printer paper, and this is 8.5 by 11, and you are going to fold it over. You're then going to fold it over that way. Now, if you have children and you show them how to make this origami heart, I'm telling you, they're going to be very impressed with you. Okay, so you just did that. You're going to now fold this piece up, and you're going to fold that piece up. You're going to fold this over. You're going to fold that piece over. You're going to flip it around. You're going to fold that piece down. This piece is going to go up. Now you can write a little letter and then fold it. And this is going to tuck in here. And then this piece, you're going to do the same. And then it's going to just tuck in there. And then these are going to fold up. And it's also going to tuck in here. Super cute little origami heart. I hope you guys will give this one a try. Love the way it came out. And again, you could add this to a card, or you could just give them out like this. So I hope everybody enjoyed today's project. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Ugh, it's Monday today. Ugh. But I hope everybody has a great Monday. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.